Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I got a new box on the channel. I do not believe I have ever gotten this subscription before. It is a quarterly subscription and it is by Norlii. Got a fragile sticker on it and I think something's already broken it. So let's find out together. And up on the screen is what I paid for it. All right, so it looks like they must do a theme every month or every quarter, and it looks like it might be a Nordic desk. So I'll put that aside and we'll check it out. All right, we've got peanuts. Okay, our first item, so it's a Create Me box by Anderson. The beauty of a home is in the detail, created by the symbiosis between design, function, and craftsmanship, where creativity unfolds and uniqueness takes shape. Catch the eye, invites, delights. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, this is nice. Okay, it was in that picture. Look at that. That is super pretty. So there we go. So there is the base. This is really nice. This is a nice piece. And here's the brand. And do any information? There's probably information in there. But they have been designing since 1916. So 110 years. Oh my goodness, I love that. There are so many uses for this. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see what else I got in here. All right, this is a little heavier of an item. Okay. What on earth is this? Okay. What? Okay, so this is Nordic. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's like a weight or it sits. I don't know. I'm sure it's going to tell me, but this is one strange thing, all right? Let's keep unboxing. So, okay. There are these two items. So let me open these. Okay. One's a little bit bigger than the other. All right. This is also by Nordic. All right. So it is, it's stone. It is a type of stone. And then this one is a larger one. Same company. So this one's got a thicker. This one's got a thinner. They are different sizes. So this one is more skinny, skinnier than this one. This one is taller. Those are cute, but I don't know. I mean, I guess you could put a tea light candle in them. Other than that, I mean, I don't know if they're food safe. Like, could you put like salt and pepper? I don't know. They'll tell me. I'm sure they're going to tell us. So let's see what else we got in here. So if anything is broke, it's going to be in this last item. Well, maybe. Can you hear this? I don't think it's something broke. I think it's piece that needs to be like part of an assembly, I think. I really hope. Oh. I think it's broke. Yeah, pretty sure it's broke. Okay, so it's a lantern. That's super cool. It's broke. All right. Let me lay something down here to capture all of this. This is sad. Well, here, let me just... Oh, and it's cool too, you guys. It's really cool. Oh. Okay, well, I think I can still use it because look, you're not seeing the break. The break is all one side. So, okay, it could be so much worse. So this is by Moobs. It's Muubs. And a stone, so it's a stoneware is treated with a reactive glaze, giving each piece a unique character. Enjoy the playful coloration, or no, enjoy the playful color variation. Cut marks can occur in use. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. The crack. See, that is all the way down. Oh, goodness. But, okay, the crack's all the way down, but it still seems, and there's a crack on this side. It still seems solid, though. So, if I put it up against the wall or put it on a shelf, I think I could still use it. Now, I am going to call them or send them an email just to let them know I'm not doing it to get anything, but I do want them to know. So maybe, I mean, it was packaged. I mean, you guys saw it was in bubble wrap. What I think happened, because you guys saw all the bubble wrap I was taking off this. There was bubble wrap in, and then the package was ripped out in bubble wrap, where I think they went wrong, and that's kind of like why I want to let them know. They put the box right along here. So I probably wouldn't use as small of a box as this, or you saw, or maybe you didn't see. Let me show you. So look how well these came. They were like in this, you know? So if someone's gonna hit, it's protected. So these took up a lot of room in the box. So I don't know if the boxes are by weight or by size, but if they're by weight, then I definitely would recommend getting a bigger box so you could put like the styrofoam around this for transport. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold up the pieces here. All right, those are the pieces, and let's read about our items. Okay, so curated for everyday rituals, a Nordic desk. And it says, in Nordic homes, the everyday spaces matter most, the places where life actually happens. The Norlii box is curated to create a calm, functional, beautiful workspace, a desk you enjoy sitting down at. So each piece is chosen to bring balance between focus and pause, structure and softness, natural materials, thoughtful proportions, and quiet details come together to support the everyday work, creativity, and moments of reflection. Now, I will say this color I find very distracting. With all of these lights, this just seems out of place. I mean, if it was a lighter color to match these, I would think it goes better. But this loudness, because on here you could see they had like a white one. And even back here you can see that I think would have gone better than this green thing. So what is in our box? Okay. All right, so these two things here, they are tea light holders. All right, Jerry, you're so smart. So they are marble tea light holders from Norlii, and we got a set of two different sizes. Then we got this, which is an oak storage box from Anderson Furniture. Then we have this ceramic, so that's probably why it was easier to break too, a ceramic lantern vase. It was handcrafted and thoughtfully designed. The Gaia, G-A-I-A lantern is made from durable stoneware and finished with a silky smooth glaze. And it said, okay, that's a different thing. It says long-term subscriber, which I'm a new subscriber. So, you know, I'm sure it is durable, but it probably took a direct hit, is what I'm assuming, like a sharp direct hit. But what is interesting is the box is not damaged. So, and there are fragile, you know, there are two fragile stickers on here. So the box is not damaged. I wonder if it's something very, very, very heavy got sat on it. That's my next assumption. And then this thing. It's not meant to be actually a weight to practice. Although sometimes when you're stressed at work, I can see that happening. But this is meant to be a marble paperweight. And it's a sculptural paperweight crafted from solid marble, shaped like a small hand weight. Originally playful in form, this piece brings both weight and character to your desk. Perfect for holding papers in a place or simply acting as a visual anchor. Well, it's something. Okay, so all in all, what do I think of the box? I can't remember what I paid. I can't remember. So I'm just going to throw out different numbers. You saw already up there what my price was. So let's say all in it was $129. Okay. Would I buy these items standalone for $129? No. Not me personally. It doesn't mean they don't sell for that. This is very nice. And if I was looking at these items together, yeah, I think all in all, not even without shipping, these probably sell for more than $129, to be honest with you. But they're not $129 value for me. Now let's say, was the box $99 all in? That would have been better price point. So if it's around the $100 mark, to me, I feel like I got my value. If it goes beyond the $129, I don't think, for me, there's value over $129. Now, would I think differently if this was a lighter color? I probably would, just because this is just loud and obnoxious. So if that was a lighter color, I probably would have been more okay around the 129. But even if that was a lighter color, I don't think over 129. So yeah, I'm very sad about this, but I'm still going to try to make it work. All right, well, there you go. We just wrapped up another unboxing. I hope you liked this one. It's a new subscription. I am going to get more of these boxes because I do like the simplicity of the designs. I love, the cleanness of the colors. So it's me. So you'll be seeing more of the box. So as always, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and you guys take care. Bye.